Hi, I'm Christina Harper with Harper Agency in Celina, Texas. Today, we are going to clear up full coverage on your auto insurance. We have people call our agency all the time and say, I would like full coverage on my auto policy. My question back to them is, well, what do you mean by that? Full coverage means something different to each person. Usually full coverage just means liability plus collision plus comprehensive. It doesn't include things like rental car coverage, uninsured motorist coverage, personal injury protection, medical payments, new and original parts coverage. There's so many things that go into an auto insurance policy. So you just want to make sure that you are reviewing your coverages yearly with your agent, and you're making sure that in every different scenario, like you're driving down the road, somebody hits you, they have no insurance. Do you want to file a collision claim, or do you want to carry uninsured motorist and you would only have a $250 deductible versus whatever your collision deductible is? So you just want to make sure that you know exactly what you're purchasing. So I highly recommend doing an insurance review of your auto insurance yearly. We would be happy to do that for you. So give our team a call. We are ready and able to answer any and all questions for you to clear up exactly what full coverage means. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.